had a lot of fun memories. Cause, you know, we on to big business. You know, big cat, big things. So we standing on big P. Damn, so it's my last day potentially with the Subaru. With the Subaru, man. So look, man, I done had this car since 2020, bro. I ain't had not one single problem with this car. Like, good car, as long as you don't really do this big crazy. I done modded it out to stage 2. So, you know, everybody who had their little opinion about the car saying like, oh, it's gonna blow up. This little shit box right here. No, this is a quality car. And I ain't even gonna lie. Like, it ain't no, you know, stick shift and whatnot. But, you know, with it being like a, you know, a automatic, you know, a lot of people was like saying the CVTs don't kind of last long. And I got the car to like at least 7,000 some miles. Not 7,000, but 72,000 some miles. So yeah, man. So look, I'm about to start this up also. The thing is with this dealership, bro, they don't even know this car is modded. They didn't ask me, was it modded? They didn't ask me jack shit. They just asked me, was I the first owner? That's about it. Now they I don't know if they did a inspection, but I'm for sure finna take a look at this Hellcat because it just made me think y'all just to buy something and be like, yep, it's all right. Don't get me wrong, like the car is all right, but y'all ain't asked if it's modded. Cause I'm for sure taking this Cobb access port right there, which should have been a dead giveaway. I ain't gonna lie. But we finna head to Mickey's. Stay tuned, man. It's gonna be a fire video, man. This is gonna be my first time buying a Hellcat, boy. This shit crazy. I've been wanting a Hellcat since I was a little nigga.
My car ain't starting up, I'm trying to get this bit of crank. My ETA keeps saying 30 minutes late to the bank. Free fan from out of cell, he throwing Zizo with a shank. Girl, I love you, but it's something about this paper, I just can't. I just can't sit. 100,000 with a jury, I wouldn't change shit. I'm all in, they see me ballin' like this game 6. These state troopers trying to clock me while I lane switch. Riding in the Monte Carlo, got the bass jumping. All these things I got with me think I'm Clay Thompson. Fuck all that undercover pressure, pussy say something. Till I lose all 10 of my fingers, I'ma stay thumbing. Move like I'm presidential, bulletproof all the windows. So I thought another gen, got all my choppers bigger. Shit, I could tell he ain't the plug, he playing my committal. I took my profit all in dollars and got my pockets bigger.
Yeah, that's crazy. Does that normally happen?
Not very often. Liens placed on them, and technically the bank owns the car, and you know, so on and so forth. Things can get complicated.
Okay.
Like we have a car here, we've been trying to get a title for almost 2 years.
Why you still got it?
The state makes things overcomplicated and makes it so there's a bunch of loops you have to jump through.
Mm-hmm.
And
open the door, babe. Look inside.
Yeah, I know. I was taking a look.
Oh, okay.
It's clean.
Yeah, look inside.
Yeah, cause like I ain't gonna lie, like you know when who was it, Drew?
Yeah.
When he had called me back, I thought he said like this was just a regular Hellcat. So I'm like,
It's a jailbreak.
Yeah, I didn't know. He didn't say. I'm like I had just seen the one at Surreal was like, you know, way lower. I'm like, damn. But I'm like, he didn't say that part. That's what changed my mind.
What you think about the inside?
Could we do a test drive?
Yeah. Plus you're pre-approved, so. Normally we just require pre-approval for, you know, more expensive stuff. And we did a pre-approval as well. The awesome thing is you don't gotta leave any additional money out of pocket.
Yeah. I still like that one. The gray is cool, the wide body, but
I'm like, man.
Well, the great thing is if you want to protect the paint, you just throw colored PPF on.
Yeah, facts.
And you keep the paint perfect and you do whatever color you want.
Yeah.
You can make it look exactly like that for like $6,000.
really?
And it'll protect the paint.
Yeah. That black was different though. That matte, that was different in the middle. Okay. All right, you gonna back it up?
Back it out for you guys.
Okay. And
Like
guess
2,000.
no, but unfortunately, he ain't no freeway by here. You ain't going too far. My bad. Or I know you.
Just be cautious. It is 35 and the police department is right up here on the right hand side. It's in kilometers. You can go a little faster. Look at this one.
Oh, it's in kilometers.
Yeah,
I'm like, I feel like
say
I'm
this
going
feels like we're going
slower.
really slow.
Yeah, I was.
Look at this gauge. It does not feel like 40
Man,
miles
I'm like,
an hour.
I know it's fast, but this can't be this fast.
Yeah, they must have just gotten switched when they were cleaning it. Because if you press the right combination of stuff, it'll change it to kilometers. You're gonna get in the right hand lane, and not at the first light, but the second one. You're gonna make a right hand turn. This still.
Okay, yeah, the moonroof. Okay.
It's a perfect day to take it home. I'll tell you what.
Man, what? Good day. Not no rain, because the day I came was
A little iffy, yeah.
Yeah, you can feel like so much more different, like.
Yeah. Well, it's just a more premium car, you know.
Yeah.
You're looking at a $15,000 to $20,000 car compared to a 75 plus car.
Where did you guys get this one from?
I'm not 100% sure. I would have to ask her. I'm pretty sure this came locally though.
Okay.
Most of our inventory is pretty local.
Okay. That little wine on there a little bit.
Yeah, right now you're still a lot. You've got 717 horsepower.
Yeah.
You start it up, pushing the red key to the ignition, it'll give you 797.
How you feeling?
Man, feel good, man.
Okay, you got your little egg, your little shyness out? You good?
Right. I'm
Okay.
still a little nervous.
Okay.
So you'll be nervous with it probably for the first few weeks you own
Yeah.
it, really.
Yeah.
I mean, you're jumping like 600 horsepower.
Man. And that's all I was thinking about. I'm like, I never really, last thing, powerful I really, driven was, a SS. And I was testing that one out, a few years ago.
Was it a Chevy SS or a Camaro SS?
It was a Chevy SS.
Gotcha. Those are nice cars.
Mm-hmm.
Still got big old V8s in those.
Yeah, because it's nice what you can do with them cars, though.
Oh yeah,
Like-
you can put basically any Camaro or Corvette mod on one of those cars and be good.
Yeah. And I think I was going to do, the Cadillac rims. Because, I just like how, that one was, all, if I was going to get out, I was going to try to get an all black one, but.
Gotcha.
Yeah. But yeah, the SS was pretty, the Camaro SS was pretty cool too. I was just like, man, I don't like the two-door though.
Yeah, this is a way more practical.
Yeah.
See when it goes up a little bit here too.
Look at that little thing, man. Yeah, this thing is cool.
Yes. They are awesome. I drove a Demon from Mackinac City.
Yeah.
Oh, did you?
Down here.
Okay.
I only got pulled over one time.
Right.
Was it for
Not too
speeding
bad.
or just because
They said that I was attempting to drag race under the speed limit.
Okay.
You got a ticket for it?
Yeah,
Imagine.
I got a careless ticket.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna keep going straight through this light, but once you go through this light, you're gonna get the right hand light. Yeah, they clocked me at 38 miles an hour and said I was attempting to drag race. And
Was somebody around?
Motorcycles.
Man, come on, man. I mean, it's a Demon, but.
But it's like
It's like, come on.
they ended up dropping the ticket anyways.
Okay, good. Because I was gonna say, hopefully you fought it.
Oh yeah, no, they got dropped very quickly. You get an attorney, most of those things tend to just disappear.
Man.
These are fun cars though. And they're comfortable. The seats are super comfortable.
Yeah, it is most definitely is comfortable. I wonder how like the leather was because I never like I only saw the one that had
These
the
have
cloth.
really nice, good quality material.
How you feel about the electric charger?
Not a fan.
No.
It's just, and it's not even, it's like, I'm not against, all of the electric stuff, yep. But it's just like, it makes good power, but it only gets like 200 miles of range.
Yeah.
And they're like 70 grand.
That's
so, it's like, why would you pay 70 grand for something that can only go 200 miles on charge?
You think, I don't know why did they, do that. Like, I didn't understand it. I don't know if it was just because, like, they just wanted to
It was a mission style. It was a mission style. But the 6-pack one they have, the Twin Turbo V6 is pretty good. Up here, you're gonna be able to right. Just follow the stroke. It's gonna put you on an M5. Speed limit's 55. Don't try to go too far over it because state troopers love to sit out here, but at least let you get up to speed a little bit more.
What Steve Harvey be saying? And the Turk, what he say?
Name a kind of suit that's not appropriate for the office.
Chicken noodle.
Suit. You don't wear no damn chicken noodle suit in here.
He said, he said, cheap suit.
Sit your butt down. Sit down. You getting your money out. That dirty money. It's dirty. You nasty.
Last day with the Subaru, man. Look. Hold on. Last day with the Subaru, man. We about to be coming home with the cat. Show him the cat, baby. Show him the cat. Ooh, that man right in the background. But yeah, I had a good journey with the Subi, man. We had a lot of fun memories. But we on to big business. Big cat, big thing. So we standing on Big P. We got that Big P dang right there. I don't know what I'm gonna call it just yet, but we gonna address that name later on in further discussions. But when I see you again, maybe somebody take care of you right, like I took care of you. I'm gonna miss you. Shout out to that departing relationship you gotta have with your car when you trading them in for something better. Stay tuned.
That's for you. And then this is for you. Make sure you keep that or you want to the car with you in case you get rolled for any of these.
Okay.
That should be everything. So enjoy the new car. Appreciate it. Of course. And then I'm also going to send you guys just a link to our Google
Wanna do a startup? Roll down the window? Bite you. Let's go. Bye. You say it.